Hi, Nikki. Okay, yes. How old are you? How old are
I'm
you?
10 years old.
10 years old. Okay, thank you so much, Nikki, for your time.
Bye. Cái nào like lên ạ? Thôi, thôi,
Uh,
dài như thế này. Thôi, thôi. Vừa sao lại đâu rồi? Okay.
yeah. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Teacher Rose. What is your name?
My name is Lâm.
Oh, huh? Say it again.
My name is Nam.
Nam. Okay, Nam. All right. Okay, Nam, I want you to look at this picture. Yes. This is a picture of a park. Okay. And can you tell me what this is? Nam, is this a tree?
Tree.
Yeah, it is a tree. Okay. And what is this?
Is tiger.
It's a tiger. Where is the tiger, Nam?
Tiger is on the tree.
Okay, the tiger is on the tree. And how about this? What is this?
It's a kite.
It's a kite. Okay. And look at this picture. What are the boys doing?
The boy is ride a bike.
Okay, riding a bicycle. And what is this?
It's a snake.
Okay, it's a snake. All right, thank you so much. Okay, now let's proceed to the next picture. Okay. Nam, what is this?
It's a carrot.
It's a carrot. And how about this one?
It's a sun.
Okay, what color is the sun?
Sun is yellow.
Okay, the sun is yellow. Okay, yes. And how about this? What is this?
A shoe.
Okay, that is a sock. Okay. Yes, are you wearing socks now?
The truck.
Are you wearing socks now? No?
Yes.
Yes, okay. All right. Thank you so much. Okay, so now let me ask you a few questions. Okay. How old are you, Nam? How old are you?
Um, thank you.
10 years old? Are you 10 years old or 9 years old?
10 years old.
10 years old. Okay. Do you have brothers?
Brother is
How many
12.
brothers? Yeah. You have two brothers. Do you have a sister?
Sister is Minto.
All right. Thank you so much, Nam. Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Teacher Rose. What is your name?
My name is Dang. Dang.
Say, okay, yes. All right, okay, Nam, I want you to look at this picture. Okay, so this is a park, and here you can see a tree. Okay, Okay, this is a tree. And how about this one? What is this?
Tiger.
Okay, that is a tiger. Okay. And how about this one? What is this?
Is
It's a, is this a snake?
is lamb.
Yeah, it is a snake. Okay. So where is the snake? Where is the snake? Okay, is the snake on the tree? Is the snake on the tree?
Yes.
Yes, it's on the tree. Okay, yes. All right. And what is this?
A big pie.
Okay, it's a bird. All right. And these are girls, right? Okay. So what are the girls doing?
Doing singing.
Singing. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now let's proceed to the next picture. Okay, here it is. Okay, can you tell me what this is? What is this?
Carrot.
Okay, that is a carrot. Okay, and how about this one? What is this?
A bag.
Okay, that is a bag. Okay, yes. How about this one? Can you tell me what this is? Wait a minute. Okay, what is this?
Pens. Ben. Pencil.
Okay, pencil. Okay, that is a pencil. Yes. So, what is your favorite color? Do
Uh,
you like what color do you like?
yes, I
What
like.
color do you like? Do you like red, yellow?
Uh, yes,
Yes, you love yellow. Yes, few questions. How old are you? Are?
I'm 10 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years
Are
old.
you 9 years old? You are
No.
10 years old. Oh yeah, okay. What is your favorite food?
Uh, I
What is
like
your favorite food?
her hamburger.
You like hamburger. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Yeah. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Rose. What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Lily. Okay, Lily, I want you to look at this picture. So this is a park and you can see children. Okay, many children in this park. Okay, and Lily, wait a minute. This is a tree, right? Okay. Can you tell me what this is? What is this?
Tiger.
Okay, that is a tiger. Where is the tiger, Lily?
The tiger is on the tree.
Okay, on the tree. Very good. And what about this one? What is this?
This is a snake.
Okay, where is the snake, Lily?
Snake is um on in the tree.
Okay, the snake is on the tree. Okay. And okay, are these girls? Are these girls? These are girls, right? Okay. Yeah. How many girls? How many girls are there?
Figure.
Okay, there are 3 girls. What are these 3 girls doing?
Figure is sing.
Singing a song. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next part. Okay, here. Okay, look at the picture. Okay, what is this?
It's a dress.
Okay, what color is the dress?
It's dress and blue.
What is your favorite color, Lily?
This is white.
White. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, how about this one? What is that?
This is carrot.
It's a carrot. Do you like carrots?
No. Okay.
No. What is your favorite food?
It's a chicken.
Chicken. All right. Okay, thank you so much, Lily. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Teacher Rose. What is your name?
My name is Davis.
Travis?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, Travis, I want you to look at this picture. Okay. What is this, Travis?
This picture is very rough.
Okay, is this a tree? Is that a tree? This is a tree, right?
This
Okay. I want you to look at this. What is this, Travis?
tiger. Tiger.
Okay, that is a tiger. Where is the tiger?
Tiger in the tree.
Okay, the tiger is on the tree. Okay, thank you. Now, I want you to look at this. What is this?
Select.
It's a snake. Where is the snake?
Select is jumping in the tree.
Okay, yeah, it's on the tree. Okay, and okay, what are these girls doing?
The bird is singing song.
Okay, singing. All right, thank you. Now, I want you to look at this. This one. Okay. What is this, Travis?
Is sun.
It's the sun. What color is the sun?
Is yellow.
Okay, what is your favorite color?
Is green.
Green. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now I want you to look at this.
Is
Okay. What is this?
pencil and brush.
Okay, pencil. Yeah. How many pencils do you have?
One.
You have 1 pencil. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Travis. Okay. Uh, can you tell me about your hobby? What is your hobby? Do you play any sports?
Is table tennis.
Oh, do you play basket? You play tennis? Oh, do you play basketball?
No.
No, only tennis. Okay, yeah. So, do you go to school?
Yes.
Okay, is your school near your house or far from your house?
Yes.
Far? Near? Near? Is your school near your house?
No.
Okay, yes. All right, thank you so much, Travis, for your time. Bye-bye.
Five.
Okay. Hi, good afternoon. Okay, my name is Teacher Rose. What is your name?
My name is Millie.
Millie?
Yes.
Okay, yes, Millie, I want you to look at this picture. This is a picture of a park, right? Yeah. And this is a tree. Okay. What is this, Millie?
This is a tiger.
Okay, where is the tiger? Where is the tiger? Is the
Tiger.
tiger on the tree?
Yes.
Yes, okay. How about this one? What is that?
That is a snake.
Okay, that is a snake. Where is the snake?
The snake is on the tree.
Okay, on the tree. Okay. What are these boys doing?
Boy is ride a bike.
Okay, riding a bicycle. How about this picture? Okay, this one. What are these? Who are these? Are these girls? Are these girls?
Yes.
Girls. How many girls do you see?
I see a three girl.
Okay, there are three girls. Okay, what are they doing?
They are singing.
Okay, they are singing. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now let's proceed to the next picture. Okay, all right. Wait, please. Oh, it's very small. Okay, all right. Okay, this one. Okay, yes. What is this?
This is a carrot.
Okay, that's a carrot. Okay, do you like carrots?
No.
Okay, no. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is
Mm.
um sausage.
Huh?
My favorite food is sausage.
Sausage. All right, thank you. Okay, and what about this one? What is this?
Flower. Is a flower.
Flower. Okay. What is your favorite flower? Do you like roses? Yes, all right. Okay. And how about this one? What is this?
This is a dress.
Okay, that's a dress. Okay, thank you. Very good. Okay, so now I will ask you a few questions, personal questions. Okay, how many people are there in your family?
Four people.
There are four people. Oh, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Um, One sister, no brother.
Okay, you have one sister and no brother. Okay, yes. Where do you live in Vietnam?
I live in a house.
Okay, what city? Haiphong, Hanoi? Where do you live in Vietnam?
I live in a Haiphong.
Haiphong. Okay, is Haiphong a beautiful place? Is Haiphong a beautiful place?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Rose. What is your name? Ah, what is your name?
My name is Sony. Yeah.
Suni. Okay, yes, Suni, I want you to look at this picture. Okay, this is a picture of a park, and there are some children playing, and this is a tree. Okay, where is the tiger?
Tiger is on the chair. On the
Okay, the tiger. Okay, the tiger is on the tree. Very good. Okay, and how about this boy? What is the boy doing?
the boy doing in fly sky.
Okay, the boy is flying a kite. Okay, good job. Do you like flying a kite? Do you like flying a kite?
Is like to a sun.
Okay, yes. All right, thank you. Yeah, okay. And what about this one? What is this?
Nice.
Okay, that is a snake. Where is the snake?
The slide is next to the tree.
Okay, the snake is on the tree. Okay. And how many girls are there? How many girls are there?
He goes.
Okay, there are 3 girls. What are they doing?
The doing a singing singer.
Okay, they are singing. Okay, thank you. Now I want you to look at this. All right. Okay. Yes, what is this?
It a carrots.
It's a carrot. Do you like carrots?
Carrots.
Yeah, do you like? Do you like carrots? Do you eat? Do you eat carrots? Do you
A
eat carrots?
is a sun.
Okay, yes, this is the sun. Okay, what color is the sun?
The sun is yellow.
Okay, the sun is yellow. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
Color is
What color do you like? You like pink?
yes.
Okay, yes, all right. How old are you, by the way?
I like
How old? Are you 9 years old or 10 years old?
sauces.
Oh, yes, you like sausage. How old are you, by the way? How old? 9 years old or 10 years old? I am 43 years old. How about you? How old are you?
I review.
Are you 9 years old?
Yes.
Okay, yes. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, done?
Oh,
Already done?
yeah, we done. We done.
Okay. Yes. All right. Thank you so much.
Goodbye. Very.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.